Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, we are Patch Tuesday. And so, how is Patch Tuesday this month? Overall, if you include all of the products from Microsoft, it's a pretty big one, as there are 121 security flaws. Now, we're going to have a video about one particular one, which there's a 0-day flaw that is already exploited, and that means it's important to actually update your Windows operating systems. So once again, if you're on Windows 8.1, Windows 10, and Windows 11, do update because this month it's particularly important to do so. 64 elevation of privilege vulnerabilities in there, 6 security feature bypass, 31 remote code execution, 12 information disclosure, 7 denial of service, and 1 spoofing vulnerability. Now, that does not count the 27 flaws that were fixed in Microsoft Edge a little earlier with the new version. So, of course, this goes with all sorts of products. So it's not just Windows in there. There's Microsoft Office that has vulnerabilities. So that's important to know about that. Some of them are not Windows directly related. They're .NET related, stuff like that. So there are some really important stuff to fix in there. Among the high severity ones, let's check it out here. There's a lot of important ones and critical ones. One is Microsoft Exchange Server that has elevation of privilege, a couple of elevation of privilege. There's a Windows Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol, SSTP, that has a remote code execution vulnerability, a couple of them. Windows Hyper-V remote code execution is also there, critical. Critical SMB client and server remote code execution in a Windows kernel. Windows point-to-point tunneling protocol has one also. We have Windows Secure Socket tunneling that has several fixes in here to address. So quite a few and a lot of important for Windows. So there's a lot of stuff in there to fix. So you know what? I know some of you will wait, which sometimes is not a bad idea. But if you see that things go well, don't wait too long. And if you haven't installed the Patch Tuesday, not the Patch Tuesday, but the optional updates for the month of July, they will be installed at the same time today. So for some of you, it might be a little faster. Here, it installed quite fast. It didn't take that long to install, but depending on the machine you have, and especially with all the flaws, some of you might actually have a long install, especially on older machines. So don't be surprised it takes time. Just let it do what it has to do something else. And make sure that you apply these updates to stay safe on your Windows machines. It's very important. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.